I have the Avian-X A-frame out here this morning. Guys are getting decoys set up. I'm gonna get this set up real quick. It's late goose season out here in Wyoming. We're gonna put this thing through the paces this morning and see how she does. I can tell you already, I'm pretty impressed just carrying it out here. There's nothing to it. It's all folded up like you can see. And you'll see more in the setup here in a few minutes. So as you can see, you got your buckles. I've got lots of extra strap here. We'll need this once this thing gets all grassed in, because it's gonna be big when we go to put it away. But right now it's not. I'm just gonna loosen it up a little bit, and you're gonna see how it stores together. It basically, everything is folded up on top of itself. And there's the frame right there. This is the front or back panel, doesn't matter. But you basically sandwich the frame in between the panels when you get it all set up. So what I'm gonna do is set this over here, like that. And we're gonna get this thing set up. We're gonna set it right in here. So you need to find your bottoms. As you can see, this thing is stretch chain, corded together, and it snaps together just like that. Really simple. Kind of like tent poles. This is one of our cross members that we're gonna fit into here. So these snap into here. Those are my uprights. Once you get your horizontal braces put up, all your bases put up on the bottom, you want to set these vertical stays up. And I switched these around. These brackets need to be on the inside, and I've got them backwards. I got them facing on the outside right now. So it's as simple as just switching them like that. We've got this side set up. This side is gonna go together now. Pretty easy, and then it's time to put cover on. Does not take long to get this blind actually set up. To grass it in takes about an hour. I don't know how much grassing in we're going to actually do today, because it's pretty well into the season. All right. 2 support bars that are going to snap in here, just like this. We've got the frame set up. Now comes the cover. This is one of the neat things about this blind too. There is Velcro, but to help hold your cover on, you've got this little female pocket that goes right over that male end, right there. You just put it over that, and your cover is pretty much on. Now one more panel, one more front cover, and they buckle together on the ends. We're gonna be set. I've set this blind up in about 15 minutes by myself. It's only my second time setting it up. I'd say this is pretty slick, pretty user-friendly. There you have it, the Avian-X A-frame. You get a big bolt of grass just like this, and you're gonna stick it down in here, in through your stubble straps. You have 3 stubble straps, and it goes all the way down and fits in this pocket. What that does is it allows that grass to come over the top of the blind and hide everybody that's inside it. So that's pretty slick. We're gonna grass this thing in on the front and on the sides. Probably not gonna go crazy today, but we're gonna get some of it done. You can see those stubble pockets really help. So now that we've been out for a couple hours and we've actually gotten some hunting in out of the blind, I've got to say I'm very, very impressed. I'm not a real small guy. My two hunting companions today, Greg and Jim, aren't real small guys either. And the three of us are in here, and Mac's on the outside of the blind, but we have two full-size yellow labs in the blind with us. There's lots of room for gear. And once we get down in here, this material helps keep the wind off. It was chilly to start this morning. Material definitely helps create a real cozy environment in the floor of the blind. It's hidden extremely well. We didn't even grass it in fully, but this thing's hidden extremely well. We've killed some geese. That's what those guys are down actually mopping up a couple of cripples that took off downriver on us. This Avian-X A-frame blind, you got to check it out because this thing's lightweight. It's very packable, very easy to move around. It was quick to set up this morning, and if you're gonna leave this grass on, zip tie it in, roll it up, your hunt could be set up and ready to go in about 15 minutes. Hope you enjoyed the review of the Avian-X A-frame because we enjoyed bringing it to you. Till next time, we'll see you in the field.